What do all these indicators mean in the Healy app? At the top, under the program that is currently running, to the right, you will see the actual frequency the Healy is sending at that moment. To the left, you see the length of the program. At the very bottom is a number in the circle. That is the intensity of the current, 100% being highest. You adjust these with the plus and minus icons. A small red dot appears in the larger circle at the top. A black, gray or white trail will be behind it the entire time. It is the indication of the conductivity connection to your body, black meaning insufficient connection, white meaning sufficient connection and gray meaning not applicable. At about the 9-minute mark you will see another indicator at the bottom of the large circle. It is the progress indicator. It will be expressed as a positive or a negative number. Each time the frequency changes in the top right, the progress percentage will also change. The higher the positive number is, the closer your body is to absorbing that frequency. 99% is the highest it will go in the positive, and negative 99 is the lowest it will go in the negative. If you see a negative 99%, your body really needs this particular frequency. Do not interpret a negative number to be a bad indicator. We hope this helps you understand the Healy app indicators better.